Hello, my name is Morris and I own and operate a small publishing company here in the UK. Through Fiverr, I bring you a range of services to help you with marketing your business. My aim is to provide you with excellent quality products at a very affordable price. If you are an author keen to get your writing out there in the market, I will provide you with an excellent ebook creation service, taking your content and images and will format it into a highly presentable and professional ebook with a striking cover. Using your images or ones from a free stock image provider like Pixabay, I will design and produce you a stunning ebook cover which you may use for your book and your marketing activities. Whiteboard explainer videos are the finest way to spice up your marketing campaign, product demo, training, website. Fabulous eye-catching and engaging videos to help you with your business and promotions, rather like this one. Just get in touch through Fiverr and let's see what I can do to help you with your business.